Good afternoon and welcome to Paul Sherry RVs. Springtime's on its way and camping season is just almost here, so don't be the last one to get your new toy hauler. This is a Forest River Cherokee Gray Wolf Limited 27RR toy hauler. It's fully equipped. It's got an electric tongue jack. Dad, you're not going to be working as hard. See the interstate, hear the train. There's our big sign up at exit 83, 20 minutes north of Dayton. Alrighty, solar ready. Great storage under the front bed. This unit comes with a spare. Comes with an electric awning. It's a double door. Big grab handle. Check out these weights. 58.97. It's definitely half-ton towable, and this toy hauler has a slide out, a U-shaped dinette, outside speakers, a place to mount your TV, satellite and cable ready. Doors are radius. No more pointy doors. Easy lube axles. Electric stabilizer jacks, taking all the hard work out of it for you. You can see the radius roof's going to keep debris and water off the roof. Got an air vent for when your toy's in there. You can let some of the air out. .30 amp system. Outside shower. You can see the wood blinds in the slide room. Gas electric water heater. And the cargo can be up to 1,871 pounds. Come on inside, let's take a look at her. Queen size bed, east to west, that's taking up a little less space. Coat closet, some cupboards above, some great storage in both sides in your U-shaped dinette. TV mounts, a good place to see from both dinette and bed. Your AM FM stereo, MP3, country style sink, pull out faucet, 3-burner with an oven, .3 cubic foot. Your walk-through bathroom, and let's show you with the doors shut. You're going to have 2 doors between you and the toys. Nice sized bathroom sink. Medicine cabinet. It is mirrored. Fantastic fan. Days when you don't need your air conditioner, that'll keep you nice and cool. Now everybody's using that little bow around the shower. Gives you a little more elbow room. It's a Dometic toilet. And that is a foot flush with a skylight for you tall fellas. And back here in the garage, like I said, we got another door outside, a door to shut off in here. So you got like a second bedroom here, guys, too. TV mounting, double air vents. This will make that's about a king-size bed when it's made into a bed. Or another dining area, game room for cards. This unit has the screen on the back. All this for less than $20,000, folks. Give us a call at Paul Sherry RVs. will be your RV dealer of choice. The number's right on the screen.